Laverne ka. Ann Curtis, gandang-ganda. Kay Janine Gutierrez, love, so beautiful. Nagbahagi ang kapamilya star at isa sa bida ng hit seryeng Lavender Fields, ni si Janine Gutierrez, sa kanyang Instagram na mga larawan kung saan cover photo siya sa isang magazine, ayon sa naging caption ng dalaga. Inside the at Mega Magazine, December-January issue out in stands now. Thank you, Mega. So honored to be on your cover for #The Luxury Issue 2025. It's 10 years since the first ever mega cover I was part of, and I can't thank you enough for having me here today. So grateful and inspired, and still can't believe my awkward teenager cover girl dreams came true. Samantala, hindi napigilan ni Ann Curtis na punahin ang gandang meron si Janine ayon kay Ann. Love, so beautiful. Bukod kay Ann ay pinagkaguluhan din ito ng kanyang mga followers. Narito at ating tunghayan. Ganda, you're so pretty, crushy. Irish, why man so pretty. Dreamy, so beautiful. So pretty, Nini. Congratulations, more cover soon. Ganda, parang si Pilita, noong bata. Ang diyosa ng kagandahan inside and out. I'd like to comment something but my best friend is jealous of you. Now what's up with us daw, mga Rosales, and we're so head over heels in love with you. Hey pretty, Nini at Janine Gutierrez. Kung ako magkaka-baby, gusto ko girl. Tapos ganitong face oh. Ay grabe, ang perfect be. Love your eyes, Janine. Ganda. Diyosa, my wifey. Hazel brown eyes, very beautiful. Your eyes are everything. Beautiful girl. You're so unreal. How are you? Real. Cute. Face card. Ganda ni Miss Janine. Grabe kagwapa. Big, big, big congratulations, my love. You're freaking gorgeous. I love you. Perfect cover girl. Janine G. Thank you. At Mega Magazine. Super classy. Beauty. Ito nga ang ilan sa naging komento ng netizens na marami talaga ang pumupuri kay Janine at nagpapantasya. Kaya naman ang mga basher magtigil kayo. Siguro inggit-pikit na lang sa inyo. Janine is diyosa, kaya wag na kayong epal. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video nito, comment down below.